Okay, in this quick video guide, we're gonna see a little bit about YouTube Shorts. This was a question asked by a user, a friend of mine. So he asked me how to do shorts and publish them in YouTube. So essentially, the shorts are like videos, and there needs to be a specific format. So and they cannot last more than 180 seconds, and they need to be vertical formats, just like you are recording from your smartphone. And then you can upload them on a YouTube channel. So you need to have a channel. You need to create a channel in YouTube. So just go in YouTube and start, join, and once you have your dashboard, you can upload videos and create your channel. So this is my dashboard in my channel, and these are all like contents that are simple videos. But you can see on the top that you have different types of content. So you have videos, and then you have shorts. You have live, pause, playlist, etc. But this is the section you want to use if you want to upload shorts. And you can upload directly from here. So I'm using the desktop right now. My PC is actually a laptop, but you can use any device. Once you have your channel, you can upload using any device. And you can just select a file from your computer and upload it. And you can use the button on the top right, or you can use this page right here. Now, all we need to do is select a video that we have in our computer, but be careful because again, not every video is compatible, we can say, or recognizable by the YouTube Shorts section. So I'm gonna look for something here, just looking for a video made with Blender. So this is just a standard video, and it's the complete record of the screen. So it's like full HD, and it's horizontal format. So when I upload this, even though I am in the shorts section, it's going to recognize that not as a short, but as a standard video. So if I want to upload something in the shorts section, it needs to be a video that is, well, it needs to be vertical, first of all. And even better if you record it with your smartphone. So you can see I've connected my smartphone here, and this is the folder in my smartphone that is my camera folder. So here I have photos, I have videos, and I can upload them. Anything that is in here, well, in terms of videos, can be used as a short. So you can see I connected my smartphone. I allowed the transferring of file, and now I uploaded a video. And it's already recognized as a short. You can see it's a little bit different. The interface is a little bit different. We have some suggested hashtags. We can type the title just like a standard video in YouTube. So I can write here the title. I can put some hashtags, the suggested hashtags if I want. I can add them or I can remove. And just like Instagram or Facebook or wherever, or LinkedIn, they all work the same, so with the little hashtags. And here you can type a description, and this is my video now, so I can see a preview of the clip. So you can see it's vertical, and it has like yeah, you can see the rest. And also you can add a playlist, so you have that color that is taken from the video. And then so you can see it also with horizontal screens, but it will work with the shorts in vertical. And then you have a bunch of settings here you can go through. You have like keywords, and you need to define if there are contents that are not appropriate, like violence or things like that. So just like the usual YouTube video. And here also you can add a related video that is on your YouTube channel, which is not a shorts, but it could be like a standard related video. So this is a good way to sponsor some of your videos that are in the channel. And you can tag products if you have products, etc., etc. And once you finish, you just need to say, okay, I want this to be private or not listed, or just for the subscribers, or public for anyone. I can establish a date of publishing, and that's it. That from that moment on is going to go in the dashboard, and you can always go back. You can preview anytime. You can do editing. You can modify it. You have editor, and well, everything you have in the standard YouTube channel, we dedicated our videos to this topic. I just want to concentrate here on the YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna I'm gonna delete it from the dashboard, and I'm going to close, well, not close, I'm gonna leave it there, but I'm gonna show you also from the smartphone. So from the smartphone, you need to access the YouTube app, and once you are in the app, so this is mine, I can go down, and you can see you have the Shorts section or the plus. If you go to the Shorts, you can see the Shorts. If you click on the plus, you can now upload your videos, or you can record right away. So to record your video, just click on the record button, and just we are recording right now. You can see I'm recording the screen of my PC right now, so you can see the same thing basically mirrored in the smartphone. Or you can click on the gallery and upload from the gallery of your smartphone. You can add a track, audio track, and you can add music, you know, I don't know, sound tracks, whatever. You can add a text, and you can change the color. So this is really basic editing that, again, you can do with the usual apps that let you record and publish videos. You can also use the edit here to go back and forward, and you can click and change the duration by making it shorter. So right now it's like about 9 seconds, and you can say okay, and then it's gonna like elaborate on that. It's gonna give you the new one. And then you have filters, so you can put, you know, filters like Instagram. You can change the colors, do a little bit of coloring, and also you can add a voice, an additional voice, if you didn't add it during the recording. And then you have like stickers, like to make questions or polls and so on. So again, nothing too complex to understand. Once you finish, you go forward, and again, you find the options to publish or make it private or make it only visible for subscribers, etc., etc. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. So if you have a channel, you can just come here and just upload right away. If you don't have it, you can just create one. You can just use your smartphone. You can use any device able to record in a vertical format. It will be fine. And just, you know, when you upload any video, it's gonna tell you if it's suitable for the Shorts or it's gonna be like a standard YouTube video. So just upload it and you will find out. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter and check out other video courses and video guides that we publish every day. And thanks. See you in the next video.